Hi, this is Pa Yang.
And I'm Peggy Ayers.
And I'm Trish Tootloff, and we're coming to you guys from CIBM Mortgage in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. We're talking this morning because on February 19th, 2020, we're going to be continuing with our Lending You a Hand 2.0 session, and we're going to be continuing with Credit 101. Okay, so if you or anyone that you know is going to be looking into the mortgage process, or if you're just curious about credit, you're definitely going to want to tune in this or Wednesday the 19th at 9 a.m.
Well, we're going to talk more about, or in this topic is about credit. The new changes that are coming this summer of 2020. How your credit score is being calculated, tips on fixing your credit, and if you just want to learn about credit in general, it's a great topic.
So you're going to want to click the link either below or in the email that was sent to you and register to join us on February 19th at 9 a.m. We look forward to seeing you.